This next piece should be fairly easy for you to pick up on. Start out by delivering pairs of diagonal cuts again, but instead of walking, shuffle like this. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. Practice until you can perform these quickly and easily. Once you have it, try it with a continuous shuffle like this. Remember that in order to be able to perform any actions under stress, they must be practiced over and over again until they can be carried out instinctively. That's why these drills are so important. Continue to practice them every day as part of your fitness routine.